Home remedies for dizziness. Dizziness is a phenomenon that people can't stand steadily, feeling aching, weak, and woozy. This is a very common disease on the whole world. Dizziness can occur when you are tired, overheated, dehydrated, or haven't eaten enough, among other factors. If you repeatedly face this condition, it is important that you should talk to your doctor in order to get to the root of the problem. Ginger. Ginger root is a very tasty herb with many benefits, among which include its ability to alleviate the feeling of dizziness. Ginger can be taken in the form of tablets, teas, tincture, or fresh. The preferred method for dizziness is often tea. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba has the ability to encourage the blood flow to the brain. That's why it is considered as powerful solution among home remedies for dizziness and fatigue. Dizziness will be prevented when you take 120 mg of Ginkgo biloba extract per day, divided into 2 times. Basil. Can be used as a great solution for dizziness and vertigo. You can make use of basil and cypressol to relieve the vertigo, and the essential oil combination can increase the blood flow. Black cohosh. It decreases the high blood pressure and boosts the immune system functioning, which are popular culprits of vertigo. Black cohosh has just become because of must-try home remedies for dizziness and fatigue. Take black cohosh capsules according to the instruction of doctor. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is well known for calming overloaded nerves and balancing the vestibular system. To make use of it, dizziness and vertigo, add some drops of frankincense oil in the base of your neck and the temples of your chest. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.